In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Pitch.com presentation effectively and efficiently. Pitch.com is a powerful tool used by teams and individuals to create visually compelling presentations. Sharing your work seamlessly with collaborators, clients, or any audience is crucial to maximizing its impact. Let's dive into the straightforward steps to share your pitch presentation. First, start by navigating to the Pitch platform. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Pitch dashboard. Here you'll find all the presentations you've created or have access to. If you're new to Pitch, the dashboard is where all your projects are organized, making it easy for you to jump back into your work at any moment. Once you're on the dashboard, identify the presentation you want to share. Click on the presentation title to open it. This action takes you to the main editing screen where you can see all your slides, notes, and any adjustments you might want to make before sharing. Now look for the Share button, which is typically located in the upper right section of the interface. Clicking this button will reveal your sharing options. This is your main control center for managing who sees your presentation and how they receive it. You have several options tailored to meet different sharing needs, which we'll explore next. You can directly enter an email address to send an invitation to view or edit the presentation. This option is perfect for sharing with team members or clients who are already in your contact list. Simply type in their email, set their permission level, such as view or edit, and send. A quick tip: double check the email addresses before sending them to ensure that your presentation reaches the intended recipients without any hiccups. Alternatively, you might want to share your pitch presentation externally. This is useful when you need to reach an audience outside your immediate network. Clicking on the Share Externally option provides you with a link that you can send out, granting access to anyone with it. Before you share this link, consider adjusting the access settings to control whether people can view or edit the presentation. Lastly, there's the option to export your presentation. Exporting is particularly useful if you need to share your pitch presentation in a format compatible with other software or platforms. You can download it as a PDF or another supported file type, and then easily distribute it via email, file sharing services, or even upload it to a website. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to sharing a Pitch.com presentation. By following these steps, you ensure that your presentations are shared efficiently and securely with your intended audience. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.